It's incredible to see how the community has embraced the Paseo. When we started in 2014, we had no idea what this outdoor art festival would become. For 5 years, we've brought hundreds of artists to Taos, filling the streets with projection, installation, and performance art. What really makes the event special is this sense of community. One weekend a year, thousands of people take over the streets of Taos. It's multi-generational, multicultural, people from all different backgrounds. We all come out for Paseo. The Paseo transforms community with art and art with community. We invite artists from all over the world to come to Taos and get inspired. Many artists are partnered with local organizations, schools, or local artists to create one-of-a-kind installations that are temporary, participatory, and will change your perspective of where we live. Over the years, we've erected a 3-story robot, filled courtyards with mind-blowing installations, created dance parties in the plaza, and projected cutting-edge imagery on our iconic architecture. Every year, we work for months to put together an inspiring, exciting, and cutting-edge festival that's created by Taos for Taos. The community is invited to not just be a spectator, but a participant. This engaging event creates new memories of living in a community that has a history of art, creativity, and culture. With Paseo, we hope to continue and expand that tradition. We look forward to bringing the community together for years to come. You never know what might pop up in the streets of Taos. We'll see you at the next Paseo.